Push the boundaries of your product's capabilities beyond basic building, washing, maintaining and charging to create an enhanced user experience and seamless end products for your home and garden renovation customers with CCL Design. As competition and consumer expectations rise, innovation is non-negotiable, which is why CCL Design enables you to go beyond the primary function of your power tools and enhance the fine details with highly durable, industry-approved components, compliance labeling, smart functionality, and branding solutions. With our unparalleled global reach, collaborative technical capabilities, and in-house materials science expertise, you can differentiate your products with LED power indicators, efficient in mold decoration processing, product packaging, and security and compliance labeling, and ensure your products meet industry standards with solutions including UL-listed and certified labels, battery thermal management, and specialized acrylic foam tape. Enhance decoration and complex functionality outside of the home with human-machine interface solutions, integrated electronics, printed labels and RFID labels for your EV charging ports, bringing convenience and aesthetics to the home exterior. Improve the consumer experience with practical add-ons and give your products longevity with robust, durable materials for long-lasting chemical resistance and enhanced compliance, safety, and ease of use. Upgrade the look and feel of your products with cutting-edge customizable in-mold decoration, warning labels, dead front graphics and brand graphics with high-grade UV-resistant materials. With our innovations, you can achieve the perfect balance between sophisticated design and superior functionality. Elevate your products from utilities to must-have necessities and become the consumer's first and only choice with CCL Design.